Hello students, welcome back. We have started the chapter trigonometric functions. In previous lecture we have seen that Cartesian coordinates and polar coordinates. Now today we are going to see the solutions of a triangle. In solutions of a triangle, first we see the problems based on sine rule. What is the sine rule? Sine rule is A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C. Okay, suppose two angles or three angles are given, then we can find the ratio of the sides. Okay, this is sine rule. Now see exercise 3.2. In 3.2, see the question which is based on sine rule. I have written the question here. In triangle ABC, if A equal to 45 degree, B equal to 60 degree, then find the ratio of its sides. We have to find the ratio of the sides. Two angles are given. Now see, this is a triangle. Triangle ABC. This triangle is ABC. ABC. Angle A and B are given. What is A? A equal to 45 degree. B equal to 60 degree. We know that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So first of all find the angle C. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Okay, substitute the values. 45 degree plus 60 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. 60 plus 45, that is 105 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle C equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. Therefore angle C is 75 degree. 180 minus 105, that is 75 degree. We have to use sine rule. A is 45, B is 60. We can write down the values of sine 45 and sine 60 directly from the table. So we have to find sine 75. So how we can find sine 75 degree? So that is sine 75 degree. We can write 45 degree plus 30 degree, or we can write 30 degree plus 45 degree. Anything else. Now here use the formula sine A plus B. What is sine A plus B? Sine A plus B equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Sine A plus B, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Here A equal to 45 degree and B equal to 30 degree. So by using this formula, sine 75 degree can be written as sine 75 degree, sine A sine 45 degree into cos B cos 30 degree plus cos A is cos 45 degree into sine B is sine 30 degree. Now substitute the values. What is sine 45? Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 plus cos 45 1 upon root 2 and sin 30 is half. Now take LCM. Sin 75 degree. 2 root 2 2 root 2. Take simply addition, it is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. This is the value of sin 75 degree. Okay, now use sine rule. By sine rule, what is sine rule? A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C. Substitute the values of A, B, C. A 45, B 60 and C 75 degree. So it is A upon sine A is 45, sine 45 degree, B upon sine 60 degree equal to C upon sine 75 degree. A upon sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. See, sine 75 is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root. ये सबका डिनोमिनेटर सेम कर दीजिए, तो क्या होगा ये a अपॉन, here is 2 root 2, so here multiply by 2, 1 into 2 upon 2 root 2 equal to b upon 2 is there, multiply by root 3 into root 2 upon 2 root 2. Here c upon root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. सबका डिनोमिनेटर सेम, remove the denominator, therefore a upon 2, b upon root 3 into root 2 is root 6 equal to c upon root 3 plus 1. Therefore, ratio is a is to b is to c is equal to 2 is to root 6 is to root 3 plus 1. This is the ratio of the sides. A is to b is to c equal to 2 is to root 6 is to root 3 plus 1. Okay? We are here, we have to find the ratio of the sides. Therefore, ratio of the sides is this one. Do you understand? Okay. Now we take the next one. Okay, see the question. In triangle ABC, prove that sine b minus c upon 2. Question 2. In triangle ABC, prove that sine b minus c upon 2 is equal to b minus c upon a into cos a upon 1. Okay, here we have to show that LHS equal to RHS, otherwise RHS is equal to LHS. Okay, now we will take here RHS first. Here we show RHS is equal to LHS. What is RHS? B minus C upon A into cos A by 2. Now say this is the triangle ABC. A के सामने की साइड A, B के सामने की साइड B, C के सामने की साइड C. These are the angles as well as sides. Okay, now here use the sine rule. By sine rule. What is the sine rule? A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C. Take this ratio is equal to K. It means each ratio is equal to K. From this we can write A upon sine A is equal to K. From this we can write A equal to K sine B. Similarly, write on B and C. B equal to K sine B, B upon sine B equal to K. So from this we can write B equal to K sine B. Okay, C upon sine C is equal to K, C equal to K sine C. Okay, these are the values of A, B and C. Substitute the values of A, B and C in the RHS. RHS becomes B minus C, B equal to K sine B minus C, C is equal to K sine C upon A means K sine A into cos A upon 2. Now take K common from the numerator. If you take K common from the numerator, it becomes sine B minus sin c upon k sin a into cos a upon 2. Now here k get cancelled, and now here use the formula sin c minus sin d. Okay, what is sin c minus sin d? That is sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d upon 2, that is b plus c upon 2. Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d upon 2. C is b and d is c, into sin c minus d, that is b minus c upon 2, divided by sin a, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. From this we can write sin a is 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2 into here cos a upon 2. कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज किया है? sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. This formula is क्या? Sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Theta is equal to a here. Okay, that is 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. Cos a by 2 get cancelled. So what is remaining? 2 cos b plus 3 upon 2 into sin b minus 3 upon 2 divided by 2 sin a by 2. Okay, we know that a plus b plus c equal to pi, or 180. A plus b plus c equal to pi. From this we can write a plus b plus c upon 2 is equal to pi by 2. Okay, from this we can write b plus c upon 2. Here is b plus c upon 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus a by 2. So substitute the value of b plus c upon 2 is pi by 2 minus a by 2. So this becomes 2 cos pi by 2 minus a by 2 into sin b minus c upon 2 divided by 2 sin a by 2. And now here use the formula. Which formula is applicable? Cos pi by 2 minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. Theta is here a by 2. Cos pi by 2 minus theta. Theta is a by 2. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So this becomes 2 sin a by 2. 2 sin a by 2 into sin b minus 3 upon 2 divided by 2 sin a by 2. Here 2 get cancelled, sin a by 2 get cancelled. Remaining is sin b minus c upon 2. This is RHS. RHS is equal to LHS. You have put this sin b minus c upon 2. Isn't it? You understand this? Okay, now take one more sum. Okay, now we take the next one. See the next sum. With usual notations, prove that 2 sines 2 into a sine square c by 2. 2 into a sine square c by 2 plus c into sin square a by 2, c into sin square a by 2 is equal to a minus b plus c. A minus b plus c. Okay, now here we have to show that LHS is equal to RHS. Take LHS, LHS, left hand side, 2 into a sin square c by 2 plus c into sin square a by 2. Okay, here we have to show that LHS is equal to RHS. Now here 2 is outside the bracket, so multiply by 2. 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या होगा? a into 2 sin square c by 2. Here multiply by 2, c into 2 sin square a by 2. And now here use the formula. Which formula is applicable here? Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Therefore 2 sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. For half angle, this can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta. Okay, we will use this formula. 2 sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta. Here theta is equal to c, here theta is equal to e. As well as we have to use the sine rule. What is sine rule? By sine rule, now by sine rule, a upon sine a is equal to b upon sine b is equal to c upon sine c equal to k. So from this we can write a equal to k sine c. Take each ratio equal to k. So a equal to k sine a, b equal to k sine b, and c equal to k sine c. Okay, in the previous one we have seen that a equal to k sine a, b equal to k sine b, and c equal to k sine c. So here we have to substitute the values of a and c. A, what is a? A equal to k sine a. And here is c, so c equal to k sine c. As well as we have to substitute the value of 2 sin square c by 2. 2 sin square c by 2 equal to क्या आएगा? 1 minus cos c, because theta equal to c. Similarly, here 2 sin square a by 2, theta equal to a, 2 sin square a by 2 equal to 1 minus cos a. So this LHS becomes a is k sin a, in bracket 2 sin square c by 2. 2 sin square c by 2 is 1 minus cos c plus c equal to k sin c. 2 sin square a by 2. Take theta is equal to a here. 2 sin square a by 2 equal to क्या आएगा? 1 minus cos a. So it is 1 minus cos a. Now multiply. You can take k common. Multiply by sin a into 1, sin a minus sin a into cos c plus k common, so remaining is sin c into 1, sin c minus sin c into cos a. Okay, cos a into sin c. Okay. Here we multiply by sin a 1 is sin a into cos c, k common, sin c into 1 is sin c, cos a into sin c. Okay, now rearrange this one, k into, take positive term first, sin a plus sin c. These two terms are negative. Take minus sign common. Minus sign common ले तो क्या आएगा? Sin a into cos c plus cos a into sin c. And now here use the formula. What is sin a plus b? By using sin a plus b. What is sin a plus b? Sin a into cos b plus cos A into sin B. This is the formula. Sin A plus B is sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. A is A, but B is equal to C here. Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin C. So this is the simplification of sin A plus C. Okay, now this becomes LHS becomes K into sin A plus sin C minus sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin C by using this formula, that is sin A plus C. Okay, now we know that A plus B plus C equal to A plus B, A plus B plus C equal to pi. Therefore, A plus C is equal to pi minus B. A plus B plus C is pi minus 180. Therefore, A plus C equal to pi minus B. Substitute the value of A plus B here. LHS becomes K into sin A plus sin C minus sin A plus C is pi minus B. What is sin pi minus theta? Sin pi minus theta equal to sin theta. Theta is equal to B here. K into sin A plus sin C minus sin B. By using the formula sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta, theta is equal to B here. Now multiply by K, this becomes K into sin A plus K into sin C minus K into sin B. By using sin rule, K sin A equal to A, K sin C equal to C, K sin B equal to B. So this becomes A plus C minus B. So this LHS is equal to A minus B plus C, and that is RHS. Do you understand? Any problem regarding to this? Okay.